This online banking is available in case you need. This is the front end. You can change is it light mode or dark mode or light mode, you can say. So this is it. If anybody visit on this online banking website, this is what they are going to see. Can you see how awesome this online banking is? This is awesome. This is the footer. So this is it. All right, so if you click on get started, it will take you to where you start registering. Then if you click on personal account, it will still take you to where you sign in or sign up or register. So that is all. So for now, let me click on get start, and so you take a look at it. So you can see, so because you click on get started, it will just come up with information for you to set up, and it's very, very easy. So user can actually set this thing up. So for example, let me say CBS updates. So let me just say CBS here, CBS, then here I could just say updates. All right, then here I could just the username CBS updates. All right, then email. Then I could look for an email, just say CBS updates at 247 at gmail.com. Then here I could enter my phone number. Here I could just enter my phone number. So I will do +2348176627693. Then here I could just select a country. Since I'm here in Nigeria, so I will just select the country that matches my phone number. All right, so you see, so they are going to ask account type, so I could just say checking account. All right, so which currency do you want to be seen? So I will just say your United dollar. So here I will just do a 1 2 3 4. All right, then the password, I could just decide to pick 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So a random password like that. So 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Then I'll click on agree. This notification don't want to stop. Then I'll click on submit. All right, so you see, after click on submit, you see how awesome it is. So I took off the email verification for now. I don't want anybody to verify anything at that moment, but for now it has opened. So you see how awesome it is. So it has opened now. So now you see that you don't have any money inside. So you will have the backend to the website. So from the backend, you can credit the every user inside. So you see from the top, it says welcome CBS update, available balance. You can see the available balance there. Bank, crypto, you see anyhow you want to pay, any of the payment method you want to do is available right now. So you can see, so this is it. So this is the information about the user. This is the email of the user. All right, so I'm going to log into the admin dashboard so I can walk you through again. All right, so there is a deposit here. You can decide to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit, copy wallet. So you can decide. I took off all the payment method. So assuming the payment method is still there, you can copy the wallet from here. Then you put the amounts that you want to deposit. You upload this thing. It's going to come up direct, and that's how easy it is. So let me log into the admin dashboard. So /admin, then I say dashboard. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard, right? This is the admin dashboard. So I'm going to log in the admin dashboard right now. So I will just enter the password. So all right, so this is the admin dashboard. You can see this is the admin dashboard. So here you can control everything. You can see all the users. You can create new users, you can debit and credit users. So now we create a user recently. So what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to click on this. So now this is the user. You can see the first person here is CBS username update. You see the email, you see the phone number, you see if the person is active. So now for you to credit and debit the person, I'm going to click on manage. All right, so what they are saying here is the account balance is, it doesn't have money. Account limit, you can see, $500 million. KYC not verified, so you can increase that if you want to increase. This is the phone number. This is the password of the pin of the person. This is the IM code, but the person is not seeing. So this IMF code, Swift code, code, all of them, you are the only one that can see it here. Anytime the person want to make a withdrawal or a transaction, he will ask the admin, you as the admin, to for you to give him the all this code so he can use and transact if you turn it on. But for now, let me click on action. All right, so action, now look at what they say. They say fund or debit user, the first one. So here now, if I want to credit the user, I will just click here. Then I'm going to enter the amount. So let me just enter like 200,000. Okay, just 20,000. So account balance, they are asking, is the account balance. So is it debit or you want to fund? So I will just say fund. So transfer scope, so I will just say local. Then description, I could just say for maintenance. So I could just say this. Then if you want to select date, maybe you want to backward the date, you can decide to backward it. But if you don't want, I could just select right now date. You understand? So send email and SMS, no. If you want them to send email and SMS to the person, you can decide. But if you don't want, you say no. Then fund, it will automatically fund. This, can you see how awesome it? Account balance is now credited. So now I want to log into the user. Login as, so this is it. So I'll click on login, then proceed, so we can check the balance of the user. So successful login, you are logged in as CBS update. So I'll click on close now. So you see available balance now. I've credited the user, so there is money inside now. All right, so you see processed, so the person has money inside. Now he can decide to transfer the money. He can you can una fit carry this particular account, you give now, use and run work, use and run, you can open account like this and give somebody for pranking. Give them this account, tell them that you have some money for them, it's for prank. So if you need the script is available at affordable price for educational purpose, like I said. And if you want me to build this kind of online banking for you, for your business, for any educational purpose, legit work that you want to do, you can actually contact me. Pass like that. There are still other functionality on this online banking website that you don't know. All right, so make sure you message me.